Jai Hind and welcome to MyCodeTips. Okay, in today's video we will discuss a small topic, that is log handling. Basically, log handling. What is log handling? Log means you are recording something, or you are trying to record something, or trying to find out what's the execution of what should be the output of your code, or something executable block. Okay, normally we use print or log the information in a text file, or normally we use the text files to log information. But in Objective-C, we basically log means print something, that is you are trying to expect some result or output, that the output you are expecting is showing the correct or not. Okay, so there are two ways to log the informations. One is NSLog, another is custom macro. Just look at the above piece of code, that is a small log which defines a keyword or term, dlog. Okay, hence dlog. Sorry. Okay, so this one is the Objective-C object, that is NSLog. Logs an error message to the Apple log facility. This one. Okay, and nothing, simply calls NSLog v and passing the parameters. But this one is a macro. I am defined a macro named dlog and logging some information regarding it. What is the function's name, string format or arguments, these are the. And this one is the log file. Whatever the your suppose integer sample integer is equal to 1. Okay, yep. Okay, do it 100 just for a demo. Integer value percentage d comma sample integer. Okay, so while you are debugging, or while it's just a two line code. Suppose you are a lengthy code of block, that is hundreds or thousands of lines of code, or there are multiple methods, multiple functions. So how will debug that one? So the best part is, whenever you are have any doubt that this block is behaving unpredictable, so put the NSLog. So all the information will be print in the output pan. Okay, and another this one this one is the logging your informations. I am not printing any information on applications, but I am logging information the exports output panel. This is the output panel. Okay, console and the variable view. This one is the variable view and this is console. Just let's run another once more time. Okay, this one is the variable pan, self, obviously the self class, and these are the, look at the sample integer values 100 and integer values here it logging 100. So you can easily, in this way you can easily know your variables or expected results are coming out or not. One more thing, that is a PO, that is print output. Suppose you want to know some information regarding the step-by-step execution. This one just like step-by-step. So use PO and I said sample integer and just enter. Look at this. So you can easily find out this one, the console panel. You can use PO, print output, and the variable name, whether it is integer or string value, or whether it's a collection or collections means array, it's a dictionary, or any string builder, string object like JSON objects. Okay, you can get all the information using this one. Okay, so in this and one more thing, this one is the custom. You can define the custom macro and put the information that whatever information you need regarding the methods, easily you can get that one. So these are the two methods where you can easily know what is the output is going on and what you are expecting the output. So you can match the expected result and actual result. So you can rectify your mistakes, or rectify your any syntax error or logical error. Logical error, you can easily fix the issues. So this is the best way know your expectation or actual result. Okay, it's the NSLog, or if you are know about the console panels information. One more thing, suppose I took another variable 2 3. Okay, 4 7. Okay, look at this. Means just use up arrow or down arrow, so that the previous command if executed will be come out easily. And one more thing, that any number of variables you want to print. Suppose I want to print sample2, just this one, print PO sample 3 print. Look at this. It's the best way to debug your application using NSLog or PO, print output. Okay, hope this will help some fix some issues, or will help you to debug or log some informative informations. Okay, thank you friends, see you in next video.